for example, in the bathroom, I had exactly what I knew what I wanted. I sent him pictures, and we had meetings. And what was interesting about the meetings was I sent him the pictures. He then drew them to scale on a piece of paper. And then what happened was that we discussed potential problems or potential, well, how would this tile then, how would this corner meet with this corner and this kind of tiling I wanted, the border. And those were things that I had no idea were going to be potential issues, but Tom had the history, had the knowledge, the expertise, and the communication skills to say, this is going to be a problem, so we're going to have to readjust this, or how are we going to approach it?
To recognize the challenge.
Which was so great to do it on paper instead of getting that call when the tiler guy is there and time and waste, and money is wasted at that point. So the attention to detail was amazing from Tom. And we met a few times to discuss this, but I rather discuss it at that time on paper to have all these issues than on site and be frustrated.
His communication skills are great. Yeah. I mean, he didn't over communicate, just enough communication to elicit questions or information that he needed from us. So.
And it wasn't just Tom as well. Like, we had a wonderful experience with our lead carpenter.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, he was on site all the time, and we would stop by, sometimes planned, scheduled, and sometimes not. Always greeted, I have to say, warmly and with a smile. Yeah. He was a really great, friendly guy, and also could communicate to us as well in a clear manner of what was going on.
Right. He's clearly an expert carpenter, his lead carpenter that we worked with. Yeah.
And if there were any design questions, they came up with solutions. They would say, "This is what we're going through. What do you think?" And I would always kind of volley back, being like, "You guys are the experts. What do you think?" And then they say, "Well, this is what we suggest." So they gave us the ability to step in and
Tom
give us our
has the
views,
same
but then
too,
had the expertise. Yeah, both Tom and
where he would engage us where needed to talk about different solutions, because obviously different solutions have different costs associated with them, and perhaps challenges or so forth. So he was really good about that. All of them, or rather both of them.
Yeah.
Great communication skills.
And he's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like a really nice guy.
And somebody's going to be in your house for 6 months, and
Well, and that's something we would always say to our friends, like, we trust him. Like, he almost takes on a father figure with us in this project, just because we could trust him to make the right decision for us. And I think that was huge.